What are you doing?
What?
Cinematic.
I don't like cinematic.
We're filming, Mom.
I don't like any of this.
We're gonna film the whole day. Very cute.
Oh, the haunted car wash. Look at these witches here. Zombies are prepping us.
But isn't that scary? There's a rat. Everyone. There's a rat. Oh my god, they're real.
Go, Ivy. Haunted car wash.
The hot. There's a thing. Dad. I'm a little red. There's a red. Red.
Oh no.
Cooped up.
Can I turn the car off and it be neutral?
No.
Okay. What if we run over a zombie?
That'll be dumb. I did not before.
I don't see any ghosts yet, Ivy, do you?
No. But I can
Uh-oh.
see black.
Looks like there's some flashing lights, maybe.
I'm not that scared.
Oh no, what is that?
Where?
Flashy lights.
That's not scary. Oh, this is not scary.
Oh my
Oh, my
god.
goodness.
Ivy.
There's a clown to your left.
Where? What?
Right there.
You don't see her?
Oh, yeah, I see her. I'm the way there. I'm
Whoa.
the way to you. Hi. Hiya. Yeah. Hello. I want to say hi to you every day. Hiya. Yeah, I can say bye to you. I can say the home. I can say the hi to him all the time. Where?
It would be pretty cool if there was like people just jumping on your car and stuff. That probably would be not. Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
no, there's zombies.
Look at all
What the
these
heck happened to
zombies.
him?
Ivy.
Hello.
Holy moly.
Here's the stuffing in the chicken kind. Wait, in their hand.
There's all kinds of zombies out here.
What's in your hand? Are you like trying to wipe our car? And you don't have an arm. Hello. Hello.
Where do you put your car back and drive?
I don't know.
Oh, hi.
Oh no, Ivy.
Oh,
Ivy.
Oh, my
they're
God.
attacking.
Hi. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hello. Yeah, 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 yeah.
How do you know when to put them in drive and leave?
Griffin, Donald.
Yeah, whatever.
Are they good?
Yeah.
The car watching.
Oh god.
Pretty neat.
I went.
That was
Pretty
cute.
neat.
Yeah, I went.
The zombies.
Oh no.
You better roll your window up.
Oh, I gotta pay.